one more video about parametric orgone generator. So this one is not static orgone accumulator that attracts or collect energy from ambient. This one is generator, which means it's dynamic. Let's back to statement of from Wilhelm Reich. He stated that orgone is attracted by organic material mostly and hold. So this is PVC tube. It could be any different, but some of them is work better, some of them less. So let's say orgone is attracted already because by this material itself, and now I need a force to take it out. So it is my final version where I touch one of those two and then go to approach to this one. How I'm approaching to this, I'm more distant from that one. I'm decreasing capacitance for the same. I increase the voltage, but I discharge then my palm to left one. Then opposite, I go moving over. Then I increase distance and voltage and discharge here. So those two, there are two groups of LEDs. About that I will later. And when I'm doing that, I'm getting the flash. It goes depends of the number of LEDs or neon tube. It could be small one, it could be longer one. It goes over 1000 volts, but that voltage will not make any shock to you. It's completely safe. So by doing that, I'm making that it is parametric capacitor, if you would like to say like this, and it is a symmetric exchange where I will get more charge than I had before. I'm not talking about invested energy for moving my palm. It is a different story. So what is it's important that I have difficulty to make it mechanically without my palm, or not mine, any palm. So let's say very close, if you use the gloves for welders, like this one, is the same material. Actually, it is the skin from animals made. So, but it is not even close if we are making it mechanically. That's why it gives me reason to believe it's not the same, like we used to say, that it is ordinary electrostatic. I will rather say it is something before electrostatic. So this is secretary. Inner wall of tubes are covered by aluminum foil like this one, or like paper like this, ordinary paper. Don't pay attention on number of LEDs. It could be much more, it could be much less. And so connected, so it doesn't have to be all the way around. It's only, let's say, like inner side where I'm tapping. That's it. But it is a booster, like I rather to say it is reed switch. Not don't think that I'm doing some magnetic. No, I'm using reed switch like tiny small spare gap. So because the reed switch are for ordinary reed switches are about 180 volts, and above that they conduct. So then it can work without reed switch, but with reed switches work much better. What is important, don't go for now above 0.5 amp reed switch. 0.3 is much the perfect. So the type of material, it is the same PVC, but this one has different additives than that one, and this one works better. Maybe because additives, but maybe the geometry, the size of the tube is more important than additives. Uh, I'm not sure until now, but I used to, the best for me work with, it is 160 millimeter diameter. They are 120 millimeter diameters. This one, I also have 75 millimeter diameters. All of them are working. They are with this one is paper wrap on inner wall. This one with aluminum. So if you have more details, you can see in my book, charging yourself with subtle energy. You can find that in description of video. Thank you.